Mmm. That's really good. Wow. And the cabbage stuff is good. See how much we trying to. I need some more sour cream. Mm-hmm. I need some guac.
This will say it's black.
48 hurt. 48 hurt.
Guys, I just set up my ring light. I also got these makeup applicators. There's mascara wands and like lip wands. I'm trying to get supplies for my makeup artistry. I am really pleased with my tripod. I have to go through some more things to work out some kinks, but this ring light is crazy. I'll be doing my makeup right here a lot more often. About to do it tonight. Now I'm about to clean up my room and start getting ready myself. Y'all, I ran into Five Below today. I didn't bring the camera because I literally had to run in. But I got these lights to do exactly this. Put them around my mirror. This is the remote it came with. I think it has 3 settings. Why does this not like autofocus? It has 3 settings, or 4 actually. Cool, day, soft, and warm. Did it change though? I put them up. I'm trying to see. Let's see. Flash and flash. Let's see. Cool, day, soft, and warm. So let's see it on my actual face. I'm watching Terrell Kirby. My bedroom light is on, but this is the warm light. This is soft. Ooh, day and cool. I'm so proud of myself. It took me way too long to buy these and put them up. I went with this. Got my ring light. So we about to be good. Okay, we gonna have lights for days. And if I could just get my camera to autofocus, that would be great. But that was disgusting. I just had a shot of Douce and I'm about to die. Is there a dance floor? I got my friend got a text message, right, saying that Chadwick Boseman passed away. I went on Instagram on the Shade Room, and why they posted it? He better not be dead. I'm about to cry. What the fuck? That don't make no sense. What the hell? I gotta put my mask on, y'all.
I can't believe that man died.
Y'all, why did Black Panther die?
In here, occupied. I like the door.
Y'all. Freaking, oh, this wall is so cute. They decorated so cute.
Oh my god, I can't fucking believe that man passed away for fucking colon cancer.
Chadwick Boseman, y'all.
Fucking Black Panther, the first fucking black movie to come out, and the lead actor passed away.
And we were supposed to, wait, did they finish filming Black Panther 2?
Probably not, and they're gonna put it in his fucking memorial.
Oh my god.
I'm hurt. I'm hurt as fuck right now.
This bathroom is so cute, y'all.
I'm hurt as fuck right now.
I'm tipsy.
Yeah, I am kind of.
This is how I want my room to be. I want the black and white stripe. Oh, look at all the makeup on the wall. Wow. How you get out? Oh.
Bring your motherfucking bottles out, yo. Yeah. Shout out Black excellence to this motherfucker. What up? Black lives matter. Every motherfucking day that we get y'all.
Be that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Yeah, I'm the hood Mona Lisa, birth a nigga in the pieces. Had to eat some cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too exclusive. I don't shop on Insta boutiques. All the little ass clothes on me, fit fake booties. Bad bitch, still talking cash shit. Feel like what? I'm a mother in the backseat. I remember tripping on the nigga that I had them. Bitch, that's my trash. You don't get it back. I'm savage. Classic.
dreams unfold, nightmares come true. It's time to marry the game, and I said, yeah, I do. If you like it, you gotta see it with a clear eye view. And sure as you try to bless me, like I said, I.
So probably leave at like 3.
Oh, the thing starts at 4:30.
Yeah, my room is a mess. This is what happens when you try and get ready in no time. Jesus Christ.
There go your teddy.